Every day, millions of people around the world enjoy a cold beer. But have you ever...
I'm Alex, and I've been a brewmaster here for over 10 years. Today is special. I'm going to show you everything.
This facility produces over 5 million liters of beer every month. We operate 24/7 with multiple production lines.
Beer has only 4 essential ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, and
is one of humanity's oldest beverages, dating back over 7,000 years to ancient Mesopotamia.
Water makes up 90 to 95% of beer, so quality is critical. Our water goes through malted barley is the soul of beer. Barley is soaked, germinated, then dried in a process called...
Hops are the spice of beer.
Water goes through malting. Yeast is the living organism that creates alcohol and CO2. It's also responsible for many flavors. Our brewing journey begins here at the grain receiving dock. We source premium 2-row barley from... Before milling, we inspect every batch. We're checking moisture content, should be around 4 to 5%.
Milling is crucial. We need to crack the grain to expose the starchy endosperm inside, but keep the husk most...
For many flavors. Welcome to the heart of the brewery, the brew house. These vessels are where grain becomes wort. We're combining grist with hot water at 65 degrees Celsius. This is called mashing in.
Inside the mash, invisible chemical reactions are happening. Alpha amylase enzymes attack starch chains, breaking them into...
To verify complete starch conversion, we perform an iodine test. Iodine turns blue-black.
Lautering is the separation process. The grain husks form a natural filter bed. Our sweet wort, now containing dissolved sugars, moves to the brew kettle. We measure specific gravity.
Turns blue-black.
the boil serves multiple purposes. It sterilizes the wort.
Timing is everything with hops. Bittering hops go in early. 60 minutes of boiling extracts alpha acid.
About 10 minutes into boiling, you'll see the hop break.
After boiling, we create a whirlpool. Centrifugal force collects hop particles and protein trub in the center.
This is where the magic happens, fermentation. These 30 tanks each hold 50 hectoliters.
We pitch approximately 15 million yeast cells per milliliter. The wort has been aerated to provide... We monitor fermentation 24/7.
Hectoliters. As primary fermentation completes, we may raise temperature slightly for a diacetyl rest, allowing yeast. Our beer is now bright, clear, and fully fermented. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality control. Trained tasters evaluate appearance, aroma.
Our bottling line is mesmerizing. Empty bottles enter at 400 per minute,
allowing yeast to...
Finished beer is stored cold to maintain freshness. Our warehouse holds 2 million liters at any time.
And that's the complete journey from raw grain to the glass in your hand.
Next time you crack open a cold beer, you'll see it differently. You'll know the science behind the...
I want to thank you for spending these 30 minutes with me.